the PV1, PV2 is working in this very one. So as you can see the down, this is a string 1 and string 2, positive and negative, positive and negative. So if you check this, you will not expect PV2 to work because this is a positive and negative, positive and negative. So it can't, the PV2 will not work, it's only PV1 that will work. So let's check and see what is going on the screen. So PV2 is going to be 0 because there is nothing on this strings. So now, let's see the total load on this unit now is 0.5, and the 0.5 I think is the extractor fan. Please, can you on this extractor fan? The extractor fan is on. We have 2 extractor fan, and first and foremost we are going to off the light and see if it's going to turn 0. And this is other extractor fan. Why is this extractor fan not on? Can you drag it? So now it's 0.6. So good. So what we are going to do now, off each of the extractor fan. Let's see what is going on. Off them. Off the other one. 0.4. So off the lights. 0.2. So we still have 0.2. And check outside lights. 0. Okay. Were you charging before? Okay, so now it's 0. Let me see your charging point. Let me see. Okay. So your phone is taking 2 amps. So you can see it's 0. This shows that this installation is working perfectly well. Everything is working well. So now, so you can on the light back. Let's see. The light is taking 0.3. So 0.3. Okay, go. Then on the other, on others, on this. So there. Now, total load that we have here now 0.6. So 0.6 times 230. 0.6 times 230. 0.6 times 230. 138 watts. So 138 watts divided by 2. 69 watts. Okay, so now let's confirm it in this place. Let's confirm it. You can see it's 69 watt, 52, 69. You see 69. So let's go to this place. That is how to do. How you can do your calculation. So let's go to watts. 58, 60 something, 69. You can see this is the load in watt. Guys, thank you. I believe it's very clear. Thank you. I'm out.